So we're talking about the constant rate of change or the initial value of a equation or just a graph or whatever that is. If we have an equation y equals 2x plus 3, we could already identify that the constant rate of change is 2, which is the slope. And we could also identify that the initial value is going to be b, the y-intercept. Cool? If we have a graph, it's kind of the same thing. If this right here is the, say, -2, we know that right there is our b, which is the y-intercept. But then we'll use our technique that we learned in order to find slope. We go up and down that thing, rise over run. Then we could figure out what the slope is or the constant rate of change. Or if we have a table, I'm just showing you all the different ways that we've done this. If you have to go back and watch videos, please go back and watch videos. 1, 2, 0, 3, -1, 4, -2, 5. Wherever x is 0, that's the y-intercept. We kind of talked about that before. Where x is 0, the y value is the y-intercept. So even if I don't have a graph or a function equation to look at, I could look at the table and see where x is 0, and I know that immediately 3 is my y-intercept. Then in order to go and find my slope, do you remember what the slope formula is? Anyone? What is that? Right here. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then that's you just picking points. So if I want to pick points, I'm continuing here. I could say one of my point is 1, 2, and my other point is 0, 3. Do we see that? 1, 2, 0, 3. So then I have my x1, y1, x2, y2. And then I put in my equation up here, solve it, and then that's my slope. Yep, you can do that as well. Literally what you're about to say, you can do that. I could do 3 minus 2, which is 1, and then 0 minus 1. Period. Period. Those are the different ways to identify what the initial value is and also what the constant rate of change is, or the slope, or constant proportionality, or M. Please don't let them fool y'all. Anyways, that's that for that video now. Bye. We'll talk later. Bye.